Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the April Cafe card kit. So the card kit comes out every other month and it includes a ton of product for you to create cards, as well as the card bases and the envelopes. Each month is a little bit different, but as you can tell, this month is jam-packed full, and you even get this large stamp set. So this month we're featuring 49th and Market, One Perfect Day. So that alludes kind of to a wedding theme, and it does have some things that, you know, definitely looks more like wedding, but these can just be beautiful, elegant cards. Along with your kit, you're going to have access to recipe cards for some cards that our design team has created for you. So be sure to get those. It'll give you cutting and assembly instructions and a photograph of the finished card so you can create right along with them. I love that for a little bit of extra inspiration. So let's dig right in, and we're going to take a closer look at everything that you're going to get. So as I mentioned earlier, you will receive envelopes and card bases. So there are 6 each here, as well as cardstock, and these can be used for card bases as well. So this month you're going to get 2 8.5 by 11. So these are really, really heavyweight cardstock, so they definitely could be more card bases. Then you're going to get 2 12 by 12 cardstock papers. These match the collection, so they're from One Perfect Day, 49th and Market. These will vary among the kit, so there's going to be different colors. I got paper 3 and paper 4, and you can see this kind of has a beige with kind of a pinkish rosy undertone to it, and the back is a cream. This one is gray. It's gray on both sides. This one's a little bit lighter, more like a smooth painted finish, and this one's a little bit darker gray with textured. So your colors will vary, but you're going to get those. And then let me go ahead and spread this out. We're going to look at the patterned paper. So you're going to get a third pack of the 6 by 8 paper pad. So let's go through these. They're simply gorgeous, all in this really soft muted colors with roses and lace. You can see this has like a pink background. We have bricks, a little bit darker pink, polka dot, a little flirty-lure there. This one has lace, white and gray lace back here, another polka dot. And these are that really heavy cardstock weight that 49th and Market does. Gray polka dot, a newsprint, a text, darker gray, one that's all brick, and then the lace that's just gorgeous. Another one that has floral, and then a diagonal stripe. So that's the 6 by 8 patterned paper that you're going to get. Then you're going to get a sheet of the laser cuts. These are very delicate, so be careful with them. I kind of pulled mine out of the bag too quickly, and this one's out, but I'll show you. See, they pop out really easily, but they are so intricate that it's very easy to tear those. So be extra careful when you do that. But you're going to get one of the laser cuts, so these will vary. You're going to get 2 yards of lawn fawn twine, so really fine twine that's perfect for tying around the cards and making bows without them being too bulky. That stamp set that we looked at earlier, and hopefully the glare is not too bad. This is from Tonic Studio, and it's called the Blossoming Bouquet Stamp Set. So you have beautiful florals that match this collection, as well as lots of different little sentiments that you can use, and this gorgeous trail of butterflies. I just love that, and even some leaves and the little loop-de-loops here. You're also going to get some of these little crystals. These are from Buttons Galore, so it's about a third pack. They are flat on one side and then just like a gemstone on the top, but they are clear, so you could use them as like enamel dots. If you make like little shaker box type things, these would be really pretty inside of that as well, and simply gorgeous with this collection. So that is your cafe card kit this month, featuring One Perfect Day from 49th and Market. Again, don't forget those recipe cards so you can create with our design team. Be sure to check out all the other kits that we have available, as well as lots of individual items in the store. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with this month's kits.